Here we have my little Toyota pickup 83. We're gonna do the Rhino line on it. First I'm gonna remove, try and remove all the rust it has in the truck. Hopefully we can finish today, but we'll see how it goes. Wish me luck, guys.
It's not bad the stuff we're doing right now. Like think it had a fuel tank in the back. It was pretty big when I bought it, but I bought it without the fuel tank. It did have some little rust from the cover I used to have. The water would collect on the bottom. But I mean, I did my best. It's not like professionally done, obviously, and try to do what I can. You can see I'm brooming and stuff. Try to hit it a little bit more. That's about it. What I did on this part section, I just used the grinder wheel and that was it. Nothing special. Just oh yeah, I would blow the air out when I could. That was about it. Nothing at all. Okay, so here I was pressure washing it, get some of the dirt and loose paint off of it. Literally, the paint was coming off. I think they painted it white, but that was just like the overspray on the back. I think this truck was originally blue, and as you can see, I'm trying to drying it off with air. Then I hit it with the sander, little Harbor Freight sander that I had, and did my best too. Right there, it's good as much as I thought it was gonna be clean, and that's about it. Right here, I was prepping for spraying some primer on it. Just use some regular etcher primer, gray, as you can see. Nothing special. I think I used about 4 cans. What I used. That was about it.
Right, guys, we're unboxing this dupli-color bed armor. We're gonna be installing it on my little truck. I got it from O'Reilly's. It's not that expensive. I mean, it's still kind of pricey. It does come with rollers, a brush, and a little scrub it down. And one gallon. And just stir it up. I also bought this right here. See how that goes with this. That's about it. And I'm going to start right now prepping the truck.
So I'm here prepping for wrapping everything and covering it up so I don't overspray. I didn't cover the tailgate. I didn't feel like doing it, but I did do some overspray. I did wipe it down with one of those sticky rags to collect all the debris and stuff. There's some little minor taping with some painter's tape, and that's you can see that's the little cap that goes on the gun to spray. That's about it. I didn't do much. Also on that, did put a couple layers. I'm getting like big gumps of it coming out at times. Sometimes it would get sometimes clogged, but nothing major. It's really easy actually. Your hand does get tired carrying the gallon. As you can see, I was letting it sit there. That was about it. Nothing really special. Nothing about that. You can see, I'm just doing the overspray. Pretty much cleaned it out, and that was about it, man.
I mean, my ghetto liner right there. It's not that bad, actually. Yeah, because it looks better than what it was, though, for sure. I think I'm missing some spot right there. I'm probably going to hit it right now again, then, just to do the touch ups. So it doesn't look that bad. Oh, there's some right there. I'm gonna hit it again.
So it's dry now, guys. Just wanted to see how it looked after it was dried, fully dried. Looks, you know what? For being my first time, I think I did decent. There's some little minor spots that are still white. I don't mind how it looks actually. Some big chunks of it though. That's it, guys. They're a little overspray in the bag. But I don't care. I'll be fixing all the rust spots either ways. It's gonna be looking like a checkered truck. Because I'm not gonna really paint it out. I'm just gonna fix the rust spots. That's about it. It's my little beater right there.